In the realm of outdoor enthusiasts and DIY warriors, Makita's Outdoor Adventure 18 volts LXT coffee maker stands as a testament to innovation and convenience. Designed for those who crave the thrill of the outdoors, this cordless coffee maker brings the comforting ritual of freshly brewed coffee to the remotest corners of your adventures. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unleashing the outdoor brew revolution. The Outdoor Adventure 18 volts LXT coffee maker is a game changer for those who seek the perfect cuppa while embracing the great outdoors. This tool, compatible with the LXT system, marries Makita's cutting-edge technology with the adventurous spirit of outdoor living. Brewing freedom, one sip at a time. Picture this: a tranquil morning in the wilderness, the scent of nature in the air, and the promise of a steaming cup of coffee brewed to perfection. The Makita 18 volts LXT coffee maker delivers just that. With the power of an 18 volts LXT 50Ah battery sold separately, it crafts one 5 ounces cup of coffee in just 5 minutes. On a single charge, it generously offers up to 3 cups, ensuring that your coffee cravings are satisfied throughout your outdoor escapade. No filters, no fuss, just pure coffee joy. Gone are the days of wrestling with paper filters in the wilderness. The Outdoor Adventure coffee maker features a permanent drip filter, allowing you to pour your favorite grounds directly into the machine. Embrace the simplicity of brewing with single-serve packs or ground coffee, adapting to your taste preferences effortlessly. Powered by innovation, fueled by adventure, this coffee maker is not just a gadget. It's part of Makita's extensive 18 volts lithium-ion system, a robust cordless tool lineup. The 18 volts LXT lithium-ion batteries, known for their swift charge times, ensure that your coffee maker spends more time brewing and less time tethered to a charger. It's the fusion of power and portability that defines the Makita experience. Why choose the Outdoor Adventure 18 volts LXT coffee maker? 1. Anywhere brewing power. Brew your favorite coffee in the heart of nature, far from power outlets. 2. Efficient battery usage. Enjoy up to 3 cups on a single 50Ah LXT battery charge, optimizing your outdoor experience. 3. Filter-free convenience. Say goodbye to disposable filters, pour your grounds directly, and revel in the simplicity. 4. Adaptability at its core. Whether using single-serve packs or ground coffee, this coffee maker caters to your preferences. 5. Makita's 18 volts lithium-ion system. Join a vast ecosystem of cordless tools, each designed for performance and efficiency. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.